In fiber optics, even microscopic contamination can lead to signal loss, failed connections, and costly rework. But with Sticklers, there's a cleaning tool and fluid for every type of connector in any environment. Start every job right by clearing dust from the work area using Sticklers' optical-grade dust and particle remover and wipes, because clean starts before you touch the end face. For low-volume cleaning or heavily contaminated end faces, reach for Sticklers CleanStixx. These precision-engineered sticks target debris deep inside alignment sleeves and connector bodies where other tools can't reach. CleanStixx make it easy to clean these connector types and more. Handling MPO connectors in high-density, high-speed networks? Use the Cassette CleanClicker or the MPO CleanClicker 600, specially designed for multi-fiber connectors and tight panel spaces. The 600 even inverts for easy cleaning in crowded racks. For more traditional ST, LC, SC, or E2000 connectors, choose the CleanClicker 750 or the CleanClicker Plus 1K. Ideal for light contamination and high-volume installs, these tools deliver speed, consistency, and productivity. Working in cramped spaces? The compact CleanClicker 400 is small but mighty, perfect for hard-to-reach areas without sacrificing performance. Pair all manual tools with Sticklers splice and connector cleaning fluid and clean wipes. Our optical-grade fluid lifts contaminants and neutralizes static in a single pass. It's fast-drying and residue-free. Not sure what you'll encounter on the job? Be prepared with a Sticklers cleaning kit, complete with wipes, fluids, and tools for any fiber cleaning challenge. Ready to level up your fiber cleaning? Meet the Pro 360 touchless cleaner, automated, contactless, and fast. The Pro 360 touchless cleaner uses a metered dose of fluid and air to clean both end faces without physical contact. No cross-contamination, no scratching. Just fast, repeatable cleaning in 4.1 seconds. Battery-powered and fully portable, the Pro 360 brings lab-grade cleaning wherever you need it. No air tanks or outlets required. Click-to-clean tools run out fast, especially when overclicked. One high-purity, static-free engineered cleaning fluid canister delivers a minimum of 2,100 cleans, more than double most clickers. With the press of the handset, anyone can clean to IEC standards. No special training, no guesswork. From basic wipes to advanced automation, Sticklers delivers a full line of fiber cleaning solutions for every connector, every contamination type, and every technician. Sticklers, the fiber optic cleaning experts. One brand, every solution, for perfectly clean splices and connectors at sticklerscleaners.com.